Hello, Vince Brucese from Totem Acoustic here in wonderful Amsterdam, ISE 2020. Well, we're proud to show 3 new fabulous products that are really part of the same ensemble. Passive Tribe Duo, a 2-channel sealed soundbar where you can actually put the TV way above it and it will still throw an imaging above the screen and even above your heads while you're listening to. This in conjunction with the new Tribe Solution Sub, 2 powerful 8-inch drivers with an integrated 350-watt amplifier, all in an extremely slim chassis. The production model can be put like this, vertically. You can have it horizontally, or with the legs attached, you can slip it underneath a couch. And the 3-channel version is this excellent Tribe Trio. And the Tribe Trio is a full 3-channel, real speaker, not just a sound bar. It gives you astonishing height, astonishing width. So even in a 5-meter room, it'll fill up the whole front edge of that room. So these are 3 of the newer products from Totem Acoustic. Hope you get to listen to them at one of the excellent install dealers or dealers in your area. TotemAcoustic.com.